Azishe marolon.
Sandimelanga ndizoboy phula manje bebhekana Kevi done semkhonti khona le Kenza bathi umkhenza kashaya thethiswa ngivane out yami amavocha ngayi ngaku right wami right winger
Sure.
awubathi apolice by the way bafethu amaphoyisa
Mele ngidayi sho.
abasho ngihamba nosiya konke le general bhekele
Danko. Let's beg.
Black Friday.
namhlanje silisana newena bafethu ngiyezwa mnandi kupholile izinto zakhona bafethu yazi apolice ushaya isipane esigrand ukuvela amahata bafethu hamba namaphoyisa apolice yaspana it takes no prisoners by the way
Pause.
Ikabona forgetting Sol Penduka yazi bathini sikhuluma kodwa bakhuluma yini lezi zinto lezi solar radiation sisehithini ntwana sehithini kanjalo that way sinzela ngendaba kaMaqhawula bafethu contract yakhe expire kuzenzakalani behind closed doors abasitshele manje ngiyacabanga bafethu ngicabanga siyakothi come on the general
mnandi ucabangana uthi Maqhawula contract kwenzakalani
awuthami shy through pass bafethu shy through pass ucabangana lapha siyakora
Apolice kuMaqhawula kwenzakalani
ngithi wena ngithi kushake through pass apolice yakora
abanye badliwe
wena mfana libitselela apolice mfana
liduthi bafethu
Maqhawula contract yakhe yaphela
hamba namaphoyisa
Maqhawula maybe bazomgaya sazi
maybe
asazi
mina I think bazomgaya asipana
nami ngithi bazomgaya yazi why kunesinye isithombe basipostile sepirate ibench epirates babele babhala bathi the strongest
bench
super subs bench mayapela ngibona boMaqhawula ngibona it's like bafethu like itshala ke pirates ayo strong fella in the field of play is strong bench
nasemaster
yabona lento le ngazela nabanye abantwana umona bafethu ngikhosi mina fair pirates mashaya izinto ezinto any other team in support
bazomgama
you'll give praise bitch Chiefs mayenza grand kumele ngasibe nekwala
yazabona
ngithole neSundowns zonke
Kanabuya from Egypt game lakhe lesithune bazomgaya because of no what ufuna ukumbona uVias
umzwile utheni wathi athi each and every time mayezi training lady mayezomshake isandla bimcinisa imtshele coach I'm back njalo mina imtshele coach I'm back
kehleza mntana
ayambonisa ukuthi endoda angibuyile
ngambili mangabheka this past two games
siyabatshela ukuthi ngicela ikhiya zendlu yami I'm back
this past two games yadlalile bobona ukuthi umntwana vele ulambile so ngiyacabanga ukuthi vele kumele bamgaye contract angithi kunewanye option kumele ba extend by trigger so I think bazomgaya
amagna yabona ukuthi
they deserve anyway because of mele reigning middle field of the season
reigning chama solpenduka nchama bhazi banda
so
mntana that deserve and akhona ulethi competition vie grand mnandi vie
because 35
yena senior player mntwana 36 senior player latwana
so right angadlala
amariteze yakudala imoto engagubi
amamela ngathi intwana encane ayaphusha abazomgaya mntwana
nakhona kwamele ayithole angithola because mothi uthola ukubheka iPirates is on fire and mama njengoba ukhawathekile like always mase benchini inalento le ukuthi angifuni mangena la nami ngibonakala ukuthi kwenzakalani so you cannot ukuthi mawubuya nje then wehlisa standard you need to be there or surpass the ceiling you understand so I think personally uzoyithola
mina
ngathi
mina ngathi bangamgaya contract like namfana nginendaba nokuthi after the hiatus kuzothuna ngithola abamgaya maybe option maybe bathi 1 year bamrenew ne option yokurenew for another year then na something after lapho ukuthi maybe ungazwakala uzoyenza plus uyambona yena nama fans ba connector yabona noma bacula lapha uyo la
bezibasifakayo
uyangithola ukuthi nje babonisa ukuthi hayi no isoja lifikile kubhakania azange uvele ngithola
so lento nisho nithi kahle uMaqhawula he plays a huge role besides ukudlala nje phakathi neplay
I think so
okay
I think so yeah awudlala irole grand so I wish ngathi yeah man ama-player wethu kumele bawathuthe grand
hayi Makhawule bazomgaya contract bethu sportsmanship coach technical staff anezinto right
yeah
plus silibe silinga ngayo dile ngileyo ya di-contract obvious o tla la di transfer window January so wabo uto bana di-signing se pa ke up and down or phete so like mina o ishaka yiwane mfana gale ke nla ka player mfete ke a e batla ra Omega anyamfona mfete yabona Stellenbosch libe siyachacha mfete so ale yafuneka le yabo lazima rumors ifie kunama rumors ukuthi obvious Chiefs ifuna uMloyisana yabo uMloyisana Stellenbosch defender yamba and then the Pirates lo they might hijack transfer wabo as a replacement Mbokazi so like wabo like not to akayikwala like yeah yena was Shaspa like national team player phela what perform what lena
so let's say when uMloyisana no
yeah
right now
yeah
uyawuza ukuthi okay one big club one big institution bayangifuna
institution emahlala
yeah wena bozothunana if uMloyisana no
decision
kule situation yeah
don't be biased
yeah
okay
that's when you banter la
okay nane ke uMloyisana ne
yeah
kesna ke shebile situation e ke le mo yona current contract ya fela ko Stellenbosch and they can select you for national team and currently the best team in South Africa is number 1 so obviously in fact batla mo kutobona la ngoteng lo selection be simple because abaka kwasheba mfethu Chiefs sanzane Chiefs sanzane mfethu ayisobida
mara usikanga kasibona la akatla ko Kaizer Chiefs
bacho yo
no like it's I'm reading between the lines I'm reading between the lines uthe tsantsa ayiko team yabona utlobona la ko what does the team
no like
utobona Kaizer Chiefs but like Pirates come on
currently Fetovius Pirates ke yona the best performing team
yeah
you never rebali
kasibali courage
so like wabona like akayara understand lo feel spaces amanga abakamhlabisa wabo untold clearly mfethu tlo batla eng adula mshebile so ipatla la AFCON ipatla la World Cup so obvious ko Chiefs mfethu ga bona okay sharp diatla dipla tsa teng wabo lo ga badlana makabatla mfethu so like you go preserve pay attention now kala e ke vara never rebali
ska pay attention kala
maka ya mfethu maka mfethu
phela no ona le ntshwetsile ngape hore ileng le atsa Pirates actually no di player defense hore a ke o bone game ma bana the way shabala ngadlala ka teng uthile ntse hore khona manje bazama ukusprove ukuthi uBruce ababone bazongena ku camp and I was like I ain't crazy
so la buela di mamtho
una buela hore why only now players are Kaizer Chiefs the emisal so why never say emisal so from season
kile nka yicho previous yakhumbula previous kile ka yicho the previous episodes are or like now that to qualify for these two big tournaments ka fela di team tlo batla phamisal so
and elda ke opinion ya mtu
I understand
ka simpikisi bona ke bona plan ntse di emisa matso since season e qala
so like ke treasure la Mloyisana ngathi ngaya uphakani yabo institution
wena if bukuwe uzothuna
mina mfethu kayithu yangithola ipoint yakhe grand ukuthi nakhona not ngalento ukuthi kwamela bonakala yangithola uyabheka isikhala phela uMbokazi Bokuwe the main player lapha eMuniversity defender right you replacing him that simply means it guarantees you game time yangithola because bakulanda kanje bakulanda bazi ukuthi uzofila leyo game la Mbokazi mina no pretty well ukuthi angeke ayifile but uzoshaya isipani then again uKaizer Chiefs ekunale athengisa Honda la futhi angazi bayithanda ngiya out uMikel bra uMikel mfana ungiphathisa ikhanda ungiphathisa
ukuthi khuluma ngayo
so in regards to Kaizer Chiefs it was going to be a good choice for him as well, game time wise, because being sure because of Shalisa's phansi because of his work rate. And nakhona I'm fair to both offers or both whatever teams as in for him it's beneficial. Where he goes to Chiefs or Orlando Pirates, it's beneficial. But I mean, I would like for him to come to Kaizer Chiefs. So what's your take?
I mean, bengiya ku Chiefs. Game time ibhayi imbobo eningi yebo Miguel bayenza ezibhedayo. Dala ngisho from the first episode let's average besona player lapha. Besona player lapha.
I think bamncanyela kunalento bayibiza aura. Lento le comes correct. Yeah, no aura. Lento ukuthi umuntu makaqala hlangana naye abanovalo ukuthi le kanti
true kanti akunaba amna kuqala ngasho akuna player lapha siyami mina nguwe ngiyaku Chiefs ngiyazi ukuthi ngizodlala
and ku Chiefs yabona ukuthi uyafika uyadlala igame time yathola and everything he might phela uChina wakhe lapha wawuchina wonke ama defense
so ngicalculate mele mina ngibe legend amaplay say calculate rating be umbokazi uyavaya ngithi uya America ne ngifuna iChiefs nePirates ngiyaku Chiefs leyo guarantee legend amnyeche Chiefs imbobi khona lapha ngizodlala so ngizochubeka ngidlale because uyadlala ku Stellenbosch ngithola consistently uzodlala ngiyaku Chiefs why umbokazi uye America ne and asikho sure ukuthi mafika la bazompela bamfake dlala ngithola and samcava uDashu kunjani if you don't play my guy
don't get the right you
ngithola I understand uphuma kuwe and mawuye kulama league vele lawo akawazwisisi vele lama league lawa ya it's shy so it might happen ukuthi yabo angasa azofuna umunye umuntu ozodlala because uyazi there's always a player true there's always a player so mina nguwe ngiyaku Chiefs ngiyacava ukuthi nohlalisa uMiguel ebenchini
and
isikhathi eside ngiyomhlalisa uzomhlalisa le ngamhlalisa so mfana le straight yeah ngamhlalisa so Julia so mina nguwe madala ngifuna ukutshela
I think irela ku decision making yakhe
yeah
ukuthi yena baba ne offer vie
yeah yangithi ku Pirates ngizokutshela mina ku Pirates no and uyabona ukwenzakala makava umbokazi bazodlalisa uSiyema noSibisi and kunondaba and afunda kunosesana uyangithola ukuthi kunama player serious kubisi ku Chiefs hayi baba there's a hole there and uyambona umlwisani ukuthi le hole le angayifila up but not ayi1 uyangithola because of lo Dotlu man and uDotli bekuwile kavala imbo but manje ulimele uzombhayizisa mara ukhona ulayidini kanobani
bani lentana le bani lebuya ku TS ne
lebuya ku Stellenbosch
ubani
ukwinika
ya
buya ku Stellenbosch kwinika ukhona uyazi ukuthi mina that's why bekadlala izolo
yeah uyikuvile
izolo udlalile ayishuthi kahle uMiguel uyi problem
hayi njani la ngengayisho mina
Miguel problem
sho ngathi lo Miguel lo
makabuya njalo uyascost uMiguel njalo makabuya siyasifana kube grand makubuya yena nje kunale Clarence Libe komela ishayile job esidlala nale team le our first game
Simba
Simba kunala komela Clary Polo khona walimesa lo mjito walifushula bra and lapho at least
ila score record
yeah that's the goal leswini besa sithole point at least we redeem ourselves with that point but now losing 3 points
the Chiefs may win the next
game lima bani bathi Costa
we on a pedestal penal
ka raidi mo ba pusha nti mo ba mjaja nti because of how tele ko read after keta ago helela Peterson so impushite so abona ne le review mo nga gae ke ignore
angibonile lo clip
le banthotse di
I
think Mikel ayina le flop tse pa
but then is arrogant mfana even though like leader wadlala nkatini
arrogance ayina Spanish ku right in right yeah ne kumspanele
but now
as ukuthi driving ku Kaizer Chiefs true Chiefs team ekhoti and no
big institution
it's a big team
institution.
Big team.
It's like
So no,
corporate.
i-Chiefs ama-fans wayo afana nama-fans we-Man United.
In what sense?
Mabangasayini i-player bayalihype. Hey player lethu, hey what angithola. Base kuyisikhathi ukuthi i-player liperform uyabona ukuthi la akunabantu la. Yakhumbula bayalihype social media sizwa ngalo ukuthi hey le player leli hey Miguel phela mabaceda ukumsayina kwaziwa ukuthi hey Miguel hey what hey yangithola ku-poster boy kuye but masibheke ukuthi amakadlala siyabona ukuthi enye into same player abayenze kanobani la ukuthi abayisayina ku-Cape Town City ivayile noku-Chiefs
Chiefs
ivayile I think last season yeah Cape Town City man bidlala Cape Town City
ubani lo
ngizokhumbula igama lakantanga phela i-central attacking midfield awusekho idlala Cape Town City
Can't be mad.
Smart idlala Cape Town City awusekho nayo same thing mabayisayina bayapha bathi the best attacking midfielder wadwa mawubheka isipani yabo la so no into ekhawatha angeke ngithi ama-player abhaya but yacava ku-menu makusayina i-play yahype wababa kuba ngathi kusayinwenye eshisayo akhumbula u-Anthony ayisayina leya bekungathi baba kusayinwenye i-superstar ezoreplace uCristiano yayinswemi yangithola kanti hayi it's just a player
Sacabanga le player ekhuluma ngayo.
akusubongo lethi Jaiya
hayi no into yamanje le ngikhuluma ngayo
mina ngilefer
Cape Town City or Cape Town Space?
Cape Town City bedlala la awusekho
Okay, so born.
yeah so no into problem iyo leyo yangithola so na enye into ku-Chiefs I think ngathi banokumamela ama-fans social media bese basayina i-play
Usho lempani ukusho amaplayer lawa local lapha ama-fans ntwana.
Amanye
Angeke sina comment imbongo ntwana.
hayi khona
Chinese.
ama-fans abacaba idiski
Mabethi never.
yazi mfana ukubona ukuthi ama-fans abacaba idiski bheka ku-black label mabavotela bo-starting 11 bavota kanjani
Uzile thina ama-fans awacaba idiski.
hayi
Uthathe yazi ngisho ama-fans awacaba idiski. Maqeda bathi bafaka influence ukuthi komelisa lelo player lelo. Maqeda yibo ababhesha lelo player lelo. I don't think
injalo ke-social media ifana nokuthi mabangakhetha uLodge manje esquadini ahambe bese azidlise ngala bazomenzani ngiyakutshela indaba yaziwayo mangibona ama-fans bakhuluma nge-play Chiefs lawusana angibona bakukhanyisa amayo mina bengingayicabangi ngicabanga leya mfana khanyisa amayo ukuthi uzosana ne-Chiefs phela lo muntu uvayile waya ngala bathi ngalaba ngathi sibambhayizise in yaqala ama-fans agenda hey khanyisa amayo hey sinenkinga phambili hey bamsana khanyisa amayo ngathi hey bani baserious vele umuntu ozoceda inkinga zabo banalo iplayer elifana naye mfethu maybe bana 2 or 3 players abafana naye
nakhona futhi mabasayina mfethu angithi mina I feel like basayini ukhanyisa amayo bamsayinisele like bamsayinele because of ukuzobhula istyle ukuzana isquad ngoba siya
ukef
that's what usually happens ukuthi okay asiqinisele ngoba lo muntu experience eCape Sport kanti next experience eCape ile bekadlala ngala ukuthi unele experience eCape
uphi manje yabona ukuthi ezinye izinto
hayi
sobona amaplayer amqedwe wahlalisa ebench
sobona
mara mina ngitshela iproblem lapha yami icabile
element of surprise asazi nalabo bahlalisile abo Batman abasayiniwe nalentwana ebayilandile yasePortugal edlala right back or left back
Mangu.
Nantwana esayinile ngo. Idlalile game e1.
Mangishinga ukuthi
Something like that.
Ayilimela.
Shinga. Ayilimela.
Shinga.
Last time kile ka bona la eding. Talking and post la ba re yena le ya lengam la.
Yeah,
le ka ba batla ba luna something. Ka ba batla ba qhakala but then le nyathing azange be ba hype ya hole le nyathing.
Phela nale mabuwe nomfethu okay fede kamsanile mara akemboni.
Benjani game
kona zama ngathi then fanele afema ubani uzamile uplifta Majida nyana because of now babuye negoal nge 10 minutes
baqale negame
ezisub so I think the player Chiefs mfethu shota ka 21 family di understand the philosophy ya di coach stabo the only thing nje jive ko Chiefs nje kuri family bayithola a proper coach fela
Proper coach.
Let him
A proper
spirit,
coach.
man.
Talking about proper coach.
Ba batla
Let him
coach.
spirit.
Talking
Because
about
of
proper
no.
coach.
Machita, obviously, mfethu take the co-coaches. Oh, le na tla ka ya, o le na tla ka ya. O ka go sheba so like le nye paisa matchents apa. Ona tse mfethu ntse go tlo bua ntho e one go like coach tlamela qala ka Villa. Tlamela qala ka Vilakazi. Wa sa badladisa. Kenya ntona tse dependent, tsa di lapile. O batla ba etsa di super sub. Ba imetsa ka game.
Speaking of coaches,
No, like I'm thinking later Villa.
Yabo.
Villa man, Villa guy too. Villa sometimes mom kalisa making. Okay, Villa shy Spani. We're not taking that away from him. Shy Spani, but mina Villa mfana ngifeel ukuthi makangene like dabo
As a
second
sub.
half. Uyangithola.
Much is
Uspana
on.
Unalento lento anokuthi yazini. Okay,
Ubonisa hama.
despite the nyauri sometimes ona lonka team rebe maihle ngarona.
Mm.
But wa khona ubona ore
Team plan.
yangithola.
Mm.
Noma ngena uyabona kuba nalo mehluko ka difference yangithola. But mamqalise ne game. Sometimes unokukhohlwa nokuthi aphinda abuye aphinda nyamalala. Understand? And amateam abhase bayazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs once kwangena uVilla masingavali uVilla
akuna plan.
So kile nge bayithunne nkamabuye mawabana abamkeni uzamile uchange game nyana even though phela Chiefs ne attack team it's just that kubabile for azamba babeli
Kaizer Chiefs is actually recruiting chances high. And then you can last season in the no, you don't convert almost. Hello, no,
wabo. So letting your child
So your problem up front.
I wouldn't say up front because this is like a scorer.
I don't say up front. I'm balanced striking. Up front.
Yeah,
I wouldn't say that now because I'm saying Uma is a great player. It's just that good thing.
No, he is a great player.
Mela understand the in. It's the learning culture Chiefs green. Actually like philosophy of coach. Young John.
but now the thing is,
That's the thing. That's why you should get mele bathole ini.
boy too.
Mele bathole ini a proper coach.
Boy too.
For me na. Mele bathole a proper
Stand
coach.
out.
Young John.
So
Kuna something.
So talking about
Kuna
the
something.
coaches, rumor has it.
Yeah. Come with it.
There's a picture that was circulating your former coach
Rivero.
and Jessica Mtau. And another picture again. I don't know whether it was at a conference, Kaizer Chiefs conference or something. Rivero was there.
We play label.
Yeah, but now that rumor, I think Lopito is on the picture.
Barry.
Hi, my friends. I'm getting the
Barry.
So between these two players, obviously, defensive commander usainiwe Pito.
Okay.
Then again, social media, I could say maybe the defense of man because of the picture. Rivero said sponsor you.
That is a grant from development. And so, I think who build something with my young players we can make it.
You're capable.
Yeah, we are capable. We can do it. Let's push.
But I feel like
push a little bit. All 16 teams become young players.
Yeah, that's why I feel like I wouldn't say okay, maybe go Pirates. Yeah, no. I'm told. But if you don't carry it to the players up here, I mean the teams up here for like 16. Because Shebano Rivero believed in this young boys but really court and whatsoever. Then Mangobam quit. He lived in he believes in that young boy, the 15-year-old.
Yeah.
So I want to go to not only will a big institution they cooperate. You understand?
I think we are a mentality of a coach.
I put them 5 to the institution.
We are not institution cooperate.
Let's go for Rivero. I go Chiefs because of that. I'm today. Chiefs plans into him.
Yeah, Maranga. Upitso right. Yeah, Upitso great. Upitso. uRivera ngayikhozi bekacoach Pirates
Manje
and
kusho ukuthi-
lento ayichunile la kuba kancane
uzoyenza kuchief
yeah manje ish
Kayana ngama-receipt. Kayana
nge-receipt yeshanje
Okay, sharp.
yeah
Okay. Ngizophuma e-PSL ngiye ngala.
okay
Ngikhuluma ngoPep Guardiola.
yeah
Ne?
yeah
Zithe basa.
yeah
Zasuka zayaphi?
Bayern
Zasuka zayaphi?
Man City
So, uma compare ama team wonke lawo, was the style of play the same?
yeah usichange
More or less, right?
yeah
So, shoot wena nje, you don't believe in Rivera ukuthi angayenza not only what he did with Pirates, but something different with Kaizer Chiefs.
he won't
What you mean?
ifilosofi yakhe iwa
Ungakheji.
yile yayenze ku-Pirates
Ungamkheji.
so akavayo coach ebo-Egypt right la
Ungamkheji.
ungenzile
Kahle wena inkinga ukuthi angasayini neKaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Ngabe
Yeah.
uGolden Arrows
Yeah, it's
Kaizer
fine.
Chiefs. So maka uGolden
hayi angasayini neteam yaku-PSL
makushilo uthi ngeke asayine
Hey,
ngeteam
say-
yaku-PSL
yeah
kahle mina uRivera I think ubhekele
yam-gatekeeper
unalespan
babo
lesi se I think bafana bafana.
kahle kahle
yeah bambuzile and uthi
I think he'll be
ngimzwile
better there.
ayi lapho
Nenqondo yakhe they were like li-response ayo.
yeah
Wambona or like he's open to it if
Yeah.
Ubatasona,
yeah yabona ke leso ke hayi leso ngiyavoucher ngaya la after uTahugo athumile into yakhe zafika ku-semi-final ku-World Cup waphuma yabo then angangene
angasho ayizikarulana futhi change yonke into somphula amathambo.
Speaking about Rulani,
Rulani
how was the game on Friday? Sundowns ne MC Alger.
Angibukelanga lelo game badlale not no
Yeah, badlale not.
Sibukela ngabe space kakhulu bafithi. Space nosophenduka.
Yeah, no.
so like badlale drop but then
So bana 4 points no.
yeah
Babo number 1 egroup.
cabanga kanjalo
Bawina igame yokuqala.
Yeah. Limpopo. Idlale kanjani Limpopo?
Sundowns bedlala nayo
Kumele ngabe iyadlala.
amave mhlawumbe idlala I don't know badlala kanjani
Badlalile.
ya Lupopo ake Sundowns le Friday
Badlale Al Hilal. Hayi mara maybe bachamele Al Hilal angazi.
Basayani isitsheleni nokusenze homework.
So i-Chiefs number 3
yeah
Yeah.
1 point
na 1 point. Number 2 na
mele basha izesco
number 2 na 4 points.
yeah izesco
number one na six.
ina Toulouse yeah izesco United ina Toulouse
So
kahle kahle
Izamalek number 2.
Izamalek idlala amagame ayi-2.
Yeah, bonke.
Iwin igame eliyi-1 ngithi.
Yeah, yadraw na.
Yadraw nathi. So ina 4 points.
first game yabo badlali
Oh, yeah, ina 4
bakorila
points.
main goals
Akuyosho kakhulu.
Hayi amagoli singawabali cha lena 4 points.
because of remember
Number 1 una 6 points.
yeah number 1 lona izamalek because of now
Akusiza mali.
El Masuri
Ilezi shade.
Al-Masry,
Tuan.
Kinalsi,
Yeah,
Tuan.
Al-Masry.
Al-Masry
Al-Masry number 1, Zamalek number 2.
Yeah.
So that means Al-Masry na 6 points.
Then
Zamalek na 4, Chiefs na 1,
Na one,
and
yeah.
Lizang zina 0. So there's no point in talking about that. Yeah. So the Chiefs,
Angithulanga ngoba ngithanda. Ufuna ukumphendula.
no, ngithe number 4.
Utheni?
There's
no
No point.
Yeah,
no
I'm
point.
talking about them. Izesco.
Bese ngithi flip you, bro.
No, it is Esco. There's no point in talking about them because they have no points, man. So it should the Chiefs melee win.
But
Not
nakhona-
win the next game.
Nakhona
melikora amagoli
yakili go because yazi ngibhekeni. Ukuwina kwayo izamalek yawina ne-Al-Masry yawina.
Al-Masry
No, Al-Masry dlala nezamalek.
last game
So whatever is
So,
so the Chiefs nelithandazela ukuthi
badlala draw
Al-Masry
iwine
Iluze.
iwini Al-Masry
zamalek
So
ijile
Zamalek
izamalek idlile.
and tamele
Okay,
ijiyo ka
nakhona izamalek mayiluza kwamele thi masiwini, it's a must win.
It's a must win for Chiefs because mabangadliwa le game league basazithola leziya. Zizoba khona because of this is kuzoba na 3 points.
sobona khona
Ngitho
Asobona khona.
sobona abafana bakamtawuni sobabona abafana bakamtawuni
abakamtawuni. Anofele so yeah so next game Orlando Pirates badlayile ama
badlala nani during the week
During the week bebadlala nelayini mfethu.
Bokugcwele plus the stadium. Mish, i-traffic ibeyila.
Imvula yo.
Traffic ibeyila. Yo. Bawini nene 2-0.
Ovi.
Ayifana sengivele ngaba disturb labo khihling.
Bekukhaba amabhodlela ngithi.
So bafethu ya.
Nayi.
Njengoba-
Midweek games ya win. Obvious recover the game.
Besidlala neChipa.
Chipa United. Obvious.
Ya nisha 2.
Kopandowski.
Two consecutive games.
Ameda. Kopandowski. Obvious.
Le okorile phela ma1.
Nezolo korile.
Ndashapa di opening goal fela so like
And mfana lidide nge-booster confidence. And no ke worry tika mabasa no magopa osinkile mfana.
abasamfethu.
Mara mina mfana એટલે khambani mfana ngombuthuma mfana.
Mbuthuma mfethu usazifuna mfethu kuya ngami usazifuna mfethu.
Mfana la uthi le mfana
And ifike ama chance
kunini bamnika
mfana
izolo
uhlezi asendaweni right.
hayi
Isikhathi si-right.
mntwana the special players umgaya mntwana
Umfuke uthi
umbheka kayo
ngombuthuma.
ayamufa
Mara mfana na Tuesday wenza same thing mfethu.
yibonile
Bayamnika lapha mina ngi-understand intanga into esimple. Mfethu mawuyi-strike shona cava kuyi-strike. Mawuzo receive ibhola ungabheka ngo-goalkeeper. You know ukuthi goalkeeper uva.
And all right angithi umskenile and uyazi na la ukhona ukuthi kumele ulahlela ibhola.
You know. Mara intanga ngathi akacavi.
bayamgaya
Okay
chance ne
bafethu. All right.
Yo.
bayamgaya chance ne
Yes, there's one thing ukuthi sometimes inokungilahla. Umbuthuma bafethu he's not that bad.
He's
Yeah.
not.
The thing is nani niyazi bafethu beniyama players. Siyazi ukuthi sometimes ukumisa lamagoli awazi ukuthi amahewa. Sometimes you get criticized, right? So umbuthuma mfethu is not that bad of a player. Kuyenzakala ukuthi amalanga yabona lento amalanga awafani but it happens.
avela
Awafani
Awafani.
Because
manje.
mina umbuthuma mfana to tell the honest truth. Umbuthuma I wouldn't say kunalento lebathi he found his spoon. He's on the way. Because mfana mangathola ukubheka the way he positions himself namagoli awakora
Uzoba right.
vital for iPirates and umsheya mthokora igoli tsolo ring vele di vital.
Yazi ngithukelani ne. I hope and I wish ukuthi abe right. Ngithukela ukuthi if akabe right sizodinga ama-goal at a certain time in a league game and then uzobe ada mela sky goal then angasky and then izocala ke ama-fans icala yenze
Njengoba beke bayenza ngomreni.
angithola that is why bengithi mina as ama-player angayi ngiyawisha ukuthi bonke ngiyangithola mawuzicava ukuthi ngiyazipositiona grand ma ngiyamisa la ngiyangithola you fix that man you fix that
It
man
goes back to
ubhekela ama-video uyabona ukuthi abo-goalkeeper basipositiona so njalo mina uma ngisendaweni so goalkeeper la ume so mina kumele ngithathe ibhola ngilise la so you go and practice ukuthi ibhola da kuleyo position da so uhlala wazi ukuthi noma ngalithola ngikuleyo position vivi umfuke ngangibona ibhola ngizolisa la futhi izolo badina umfuke ama-assist ayi-2 nowapolisa umdina yini
intwana ziyabhayisa le
umbuthungu umdina yini ngasho ukuthi yo bafethu like inkore yazi umfuke ngimakaphasi ukushaya ngenkore
idla
yeah inkore.
it's like mina there's one thing engirealizile nge-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates they good at scoring goals when they playing the team yaziyo ukuthi le ibagaya i-challenge.
yaba attack
Yeah.
I'm sorry. But when it comes to a team
edlala block
engathi I wouldn't say fair to Orlando Pirates but i-team engathi angazi ngizobeka kanjani. Team elo-ring fair to Ratsebo or more he must win in a way, you understand? Pirates also converted goals. He goes along the simple. It's like show my hair, body maze.
By all means.
Because if we go game at Devon City mobile, they show it.
Yeah.
Devon City need like Pirates.
first half
Yeah, marinate like a threat about now Devon City to win a game.
first half they should have converted ama goals wabo No, like first half Michael. First 15, I think, 20. Never had that. Because of there was a time whereby TLP I lose Apollo in a dangerous era, right? 18. The pressures are calling internally. But maybe bascore 2 goals there. Because of Nakona obvious excuse my player bazokuthi bebadlala against umoya. Eteven. Bukuwinda ngithi. So like
okay, against umoya first half.
Pirates. They attack uwin. So I think ama-chance ayibonile le thing le because of basho ukuthi but they had a difficult learn first half until babona ukuthi oh okay bakokalela golela la basha i-counter call la amakhopha. That's when izinto eziqale ukuyenza lesi sizibona ukuthi ayi bayeza lapho.
Yeah, but wabona ke bua ka pressure e loring
bagalata like
pressure e loring o ithola udlala maybe let's say Sundowns or Kaizer Chiefs. Eloring wa tseba o ditse so wabona go mistake ya o ka tsa mistake mo
jiyo yeah tsona le say pose very right threat.
So ke ntse ke tshwa gore Pirates a tla le team tse jwalo e me isa di goals le go ke mayo mo le ka shapa di goals le mo more than 5 8 you understand but a to dlala le bo mang let's say for an example Sundowns I can make sure I can make sure. So why ile jwalo
mentality ama player may change
ile tolo yokuthi si le team
le intonyale jwalo
ayifuneki dating le mele ntanga mawungena egroundini was
you play this game like it's your last game. That's
like
how it is.
Like it's a final.
Imantra ya yonke team le.
Yeah. Cabanga ube naleyo mentality from August to May. Mfana team iwani ngawina amacup wonke awili.
So kahle EPSL, iform yePSL talking about the whole teams, they fluctuate. It's up and down.
Yeah.
Because going back to Langaman, anabuwa kantu ya Kukun. Kukun that we felt it was Kukun okay, it's closure. But no, abona the way into the Talakati. That's why Kiri abatwa reform na kwetelle PSL. Only
Thanks Kukun. Special advice to UCM.
Sema coach.
Yeah.
All
yeah.
Ukoselesele no ne?
Yeah, koselesele.
Bamosheda. Bephethe grand.
Enele coach grand ya.
Bebaza grand ngayo. Balando Eric Titla uthiyami. Eric Titla beka Cape Town City adlala amadraw wayenzani le Cape Town. Nomlando nithi coach sifuna ukuya phezulu ngale coach. Yabona i-team ku-PSL efuna ukuya phezulu no engibhekile mangibheke ngithi Marumo Gallants TS Galaxy bafuna ukuya phezulu abaye ngalento lokuthi siyamcava Enes Middendorp yabo siyamazi Stuart Baxter abaye nga-rating they have their own thing which is man sifuna i-coach naye eMzansi ayikho i-coaching nga ngithola bayavaya mfethu but bafuna i-coach somewhere else international by dots but
and I have a question for you both of you.
ngithola bathola i-coach eGrand baziye bamtshela mfethu sifuna ukudlala ibhola sifuna ukwenza sifuna ukucompete against the biggest teams
nayi mandate
Gallants inzini ishayile thi ishayile neSundowns ikhiphile ku Black Label ngithola i-team efuna ukucompete i-team efuna uku-improve
and ukukhompyutha
namanye ama-team ngiyangithola so isikhukhune ine-project eGrand ezayo from last season niyazisuka nje brum brum mlando Eric Tindla
mosha yonke into
mfethu mfethu
so
bayimoshile
can I ask the question?
Yeah ngishaya ngaliza last week
so my question is school njengoba sicede ukukhuluma ngendaba yesikhukhune ukuthi labantu besibabhilde everything right they want our question to coach izinto zaba so my question is i-team my son coach imsigna because of something maybe washota ngayo ucoach azoyiletha or isigna ucoach because of maybe background history, whatever, maybe whatever back then. But now remember, start say discussion change. You understand? So coming from, let's say, okay, let's say Peter Msimane,
yeah,
i-record yakhe.
yeah,
This guy ngesilokhu latshintsha la develop. Maqeda baba nalento ukuthi awupitso angayishintsha yenze i-Kaizer Chiefs or maybe any other team njenge Sundowns. You understand? So my question is, ama-team asayina u-coach because of what they lacking, or basayina u-coach because of what he has to help the team move forward, or bayasayina nje just for the sake of signing? Because I feel like u-Eric Tinkler bavele basayina nje without checking the style of play sabo nalento uThinkler azoyiletha eteamini. You understand? Mangabheka Kaizer Chiefs, sazi Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi it's a combination play kind of team.
Yeah.
Baletha uBaxter into beka specialize ngayo.
Yeah.
It made everything simple. You understand? So you taking Maema Msusa kuSikhukhune, umuntu bese kabhilde grand ngephilosophy yakho, letha omunye umuntu thinking that ukuthi mangaletha omunye umuntu yonke into izoba grand. Kanti umoshile ukuthi into bezolokhu iza grand ngalomuntu bekayibhilda. Ngeke uAkhindle ushaya foundation ishawa kubo uzofaka itina kuze uPulu uzofaka. You understand? So my question is based on that.
My guy, what do you think?
Mfana, Tinkler coach a grand Joe. Why? I think the player maybe Pizza will say to understanding.
I don't get the question.
Oh.
I'm not saying
but like Tinkler coach a grand capable of winner tournament is really when I strong team na di players tse lo love tse di tsa tsone di coach tse previously kwa tsong ko teng. So like le teng VV over ka like team yona on itself and insane imjoditseng o like mfeto rona go batla eng ko wena so so because of ka go sheba Sekhukhune se bile le good run. I think last season continuation le this season up until now. Up until
change of the coaches.
Up until
Tinkler maka take over from UCM. Bakungashintshana izinto by, you understand? Tinkler makafika lapha ufune ukuyenza efana nalento lokurula noyenza ngePirates wese Sundowns. Uyenze kuPirates angithi. Wayenza na kuSundowns futhi. Yadela ukuthi ufuna ukustructure everything kube into ukuthi okay urula nophumile la into yakhe le. So for Tinkler, he is a good coach.
Mara I change that much. They didn't think that.
So what?
Maybe the philosophy machita wa understand. Katsilanyana tse ding.
Pega.
Okay.
Asingana Jose Rivero no. Sithi azocoach Chiefs, ne? I coach 2 seasons. Then Chiefs ijele bentsweni. Ane? Then balandelize coach no ezithu. Do you think they'll play the same football, the same thing? They'll have the same mentality to play.
Each and every coach has its own signature, if I were to put it.
So uyabona ukuthi iphilosophy izohlala ishintsha makuhlale kuze coach.
Yeah,
but uzwa mina ngithini as a team, let's say Orlando Pirates team yami. It's like ikhampani mayosebenza iCapitec uzospana liwi baspana ngakhona noma ngabe wena uNtswembu ngento yenzayo ane but uzospana liwi iCapitec baspana ngakhona mawungava uyeNetbank anyeke uthathe imentality yaseCapitec uyiseNetbank uzospana liwi eNetbank baspana ngakhona. So no, into engisho ukuthi lento le mele iqale ngeteam must ne philosophy yethu. Pirates has a philosophy siyazi besithanda ngithola counter attack. So when uzofika uzidlalisa route 1, then you are killing each and everything abayibuildile on the Pirates from 1937 to now, because when now ufuna ukurestructure ufuna ukwenza udlalisa route 1 ufuna ukudlalisa 442 asadlala lezo zinto lezo ngithola. So no uzongithi kuStellenbosch kuSikhukhune uhlonelo CM uze nephilosophy grand for i-team. ngingazi ukuthi isuke ku-management or uye but bekune-philosophy egreen and makavaya Eric Tindler akusiloyo umuntu loyo bekazoqhubeka ngale bekumele bathole umuntu ozoqhubeka ngale project esize ngayo. That's what they did ku-Orlando Pirates. Ngabonile ukuthi okay uyavaya uRivera and ubuild this thina no kule nto le uRivera kuyo we want to add this and this and this. Ubani ucoach esingamthola babona le out coach Maroon but this is the guy. Bamtshela interview yakhe yokuqala washo ukuthi I'm not here to restructure and do my own thing. I'm here to do into Pirates ifunayo nami ngiyifunayo to add on it. That is why akana technical team. Uzayiwani. But ngizospara namachita bewada ku Pirates because yiba ba understand everything yenzakala la.
Okay coaches, ngicela ukubuza nina lapha emakhaya ukuthi like i-contract yabo coach iyastipulate ukuthi let's say ufike eteamini, mawufika eteamini uthola philosophy yabo ilokhu injalo bathi okay besicela ulinde le season le iphele ucontinue ngale ya philosophy beyiphethwe yenye i-coach or abayikhulumi wena vele wenza the way ufuna ukwenza ngakhona but obviously following the guidelines the contract of whichever team usayina nayo. Then isitsheleni lapho below down the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Nisharele nabantwana bakini nabomalume benu ukuthi sizoba one happy family.
Yes.
Yes.
Subscribe guys. Subscribe.
Bafana selection. Njengoba sokushubile amajita misizandla nawe uyabona ukuthi left and right wonke umuntu uthi yeng la. Manibhekile. Do you think le squad lesizidlale ngaso lapha ku FIFA ukuthi siqualify? Sizoqhubeka ngaso kuya la. We AFCON. Why ngithi KEF? AFCON.
Of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, but loqhubeka.
Akunama.
So you don't see any changes.
Iplathe qualify season. Most majority.
Any shocking changes?
Any shocking changes?
Ocabanga ukuthi maybe lo bangamfaka ngembobo lo bamfake nga-one league.
Uta pros awusenkingeni inhleke yabo because of no ama-player labo wakhawathekile you also qualify amanye wasewaphulile masonganye uphulile udinga ini game time
Amanyora
yangithola
ngudlalile izona
amanyora
Mtutuzi Shabalala uyaperforma la ku-Chiefs mangabheka igame yakhe uyaperforma le ntwana leya so omunye elinye iplayer lideserve lona i-selection ye-AFCON so kuba nzima because of president ibuyile vie nayo
ubani president
special one
yeah
ibuyile and no
sizinja
ukubuya kwayo
hayi ufaka president ngikhenela litswaye bengicabanga ngayo
so like kuningi mfana ngifuna ukubona kusasa ukuthi kahle you selected but most of the players are qualified that
ayizomkhetha
opinion yami there are gonna be some shocking changes. Yeah, even though the majority of my players will be gonna but there's gonna be some shocking changes. But there and there, let all of us not expect we'll be like, okay.
Ama changes mara
phela ama shocking changes ne etsingibeki scenario the shocking change
Don't ever
etsingishaya shocking
sure okay
yeah etsingishaya scenario ama shocking changes
makhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs we not letting him cook
hayi khuluma Chiefs ngisho ukuthi mawuthi uzowa expect or uzowabona zoba khona that means ukuthi kune player ebelele they are consistent abazolikeep bafake
not keep per se. It's like giving sifuna ukubona drop zobuya sifuna laba ukuthi
no bazomdropa for AFCON
yazifana nani
bamlande nge-welcome
yazifana nani yathi sona le etshona dare ngeyawre Jacob rile natswile balatile player ke player balatile player balatile player
really for two
balatile player
ayifuni kumni
so obalile ngeyawre okay asipheni namthajele chance boy you understand it's not like necessarily bayamdropa asekele ndaba ukuthi injury nani it's like okay let's give okay asipha abanye abantwana i-chance sibone ukuthi if kuzoyenzakala ukuthi maybe kube nama-injury lapho we do not have to search sesiyazi ukuthi silanda bani so kahle kahle I think naleyo i-AFCON i-preparation yokuya le-World Cup ukwazi ukuthi okay manje nayo into esolid noma siyazi ukuthi la simdutsile makukhawathe kubani bani if it happens yazi ukuthi yamthola
so kana ngifuna ukuthini
ngiyadlala
kule preliminary la ikhethile ukhona uPhuso
kusethetha nekhona kunabanye
uyi-shocking change engayibona ukuthi maybe ngachuna ka mara mina ngiboni la uthi liyampana ngikutshela mina dala iyazi i-23 or 27 minutes
but what I'm saying is that backup plan plan B you understand
uthi bazoselecta ngakhi no 23 27
I think 27
so we should the other
laba abanye
ama replacement should bana ama injuries
so yabona
ama shocking changes wabona la
abazoyikhetha
kulama extras kulo somfonela sekhaya indoda igibela
so abo-goalkeeper kumele bakhethe 3 mawubhekile wena mawubhekile nje mawubheke angamkhetha ukeeper wakho
kule preliminary
hayi ku-27 mayayikhatha kusasa
final squad
kuba ukeeper boyi-3 angamkhetha
okay ngokuya ngu-Hugo Bros I don't think ukuthi uzomthatha because already angithi bese sisho ukuthi unabo keeper bakhe so lebo kuyirana
vele sikhuluma ngokuya ngayo
ngokuya ngayo
ngeke mthatha
but ngokuya ngami
uzomthatha
not ukumthatha bese but give him a chance sibone ukuthi
kumele amthathe shoot makamkha i-chance
nawuthi kumele amthathe
angeke amthathe samuhle
okay
i-goalkeeping department secret
yabona into engisho ukuthi mabazomfaka nje maybe let's say batomgalo run
le fana ukuthi I don't think uPruzo une stress la when it comes to
goalkeeper department
I don't
stress say da ko him ko the field of play could playing most because of no
stress makai
so like
uyawazi ukuthi lazokhetha
into seshilo ngithi
le trend epushiwe ku social media ngisafuna ukukhuluma amagama abantu epushiwe ku social media kwenzakala ahamba na ingeni
hayi na vele asazi sport sakhe so like saqaba ukuthi expecting sazi
but kule agenda I still want to see those players because it feels like ever since sidlala ukuthi uzoqualify la World Cup lawo amaplayer wakhona
amanye bewangekho
like okay into esisho ukuthi lawo player lawo City agent hamba ngapha bakhona and noma bekhona whatever amagame obafana nabafana leli friendly leli whatever bakhona
lawo ma play okay mina ngikhuluma about a certain play
lokhu bekangekho
do you think bangamkhetha
bangamkhetha ushilo uyoprosela understand
makamfana yuko Bros mfana bayicava infection unalisquad saw unalisquad sathi bangokase yabathona la kule ni kwa
nama I believe that now
so like I don't think the laws change step abanye
it's
ndayetsa
a June or July that is why it's maybe either mina ngiyisha boPhuso ukuthi engamkhetha bo umuntu because of that's why into engiyibonile ngomuntu ever since bamkhetha squadini la performance yakhe angithola ibe grand and ever since aphuma la ubheka amagame awadlalile confidence yakhe grand high so yabona ukuthi sometimes ama player abustwa into nje incane ukuthi nje abangibize squad maybe it's a big thing kuye but
yabo
do you understand so ngiyawisha because of ngifuna uPhuso adlale so isizini yonke ngiyangithola ngifuna umuntu adlale so isizini yonke uReal adlale so isizini yonke abomremi abomremi yabona aboMaster Chef nabadlale so
lenye into kumele ungamelanga sikhohlwe sibale remember previous AFCON sayara ku AFCON ngobani ngo Elias Mkwana ne ya perform again ya pick up
no
pick up
yazi manje ijive izoba
pick
yini
up angithi no ngiyacabanga ukuthi
nayo kungaba yi-shocking
i-shocking change
yangithola but no yazi problem yini ulevel angambisi so no kuzoba indaba yokuthi izovusa agenda enye mfana engamela ngivume but then masering eVAR ukhona ama-qualifiers awadlalile
wekho bar because of transfers lawa yenzeka
but bekuyiplayer lakhe
yeah that's what I'm saying yazi I think we're confusing lento le yabona mangikhuluma ngento yokuthi ama-player ngikhuluma ngabomkwana basically yangithola abantu badlala to la sikhona manje understand so masikhuluma ngalawo ma-changes sikhuluma ngale change ukuthi umkwana akasadlali kubafana ikhona lapha akasayazi nini nizothi amangala mabheka abamention abantu sesiyambona lapha that's a shocking change for me
of which is uTenko yona prelim
uTenko
54 players khona bo bani Leroux
umreno upholile
I think nayo khona
Leroux
so like yabona zibhaya man kuningi mfana yebo
mara bafethu mina besides whatever that's happening agenda of me agenda isquad mfethu like sesayibona indlela yangithola because of Hugo Bruce noma Hugo Bruce angahamba nani sesiyazi ukuthi le 11 le or le 23 le izoba khona lo muntu ozofika manje ilawo ma Twitch kulungisa lapho kupesha hayi ukuthi manje ufuna ukuchange the whole thing because usibusele emuva
into engishoyo ukuthi i-management kumele imtshele ukuthi emfethu you are a great coach, you are a good coach. Not Sinclair is not a great coach.
Uyabona ukuthi la
uyabona ne but uyacava abanye abo coach banjani.
Basabona.
Uyangithola ufuna into yakhe ufuna kwenzeka lento yakhe the way yena ufuna ngakhona. That is why ngithi management mayimdonsa whoever izomdonsa imtshele ukuthi emfethu sicela ubukele our last 10 games before sigale ispan.
Then yazi bomguy
uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani. Push project and sifuna ukuthi kudlalwe so. We don't care ukuthi choose abantu ne but sifuna ukuthi kudlalwe so qhubeke kudlalwe so imentality ama player mele uyibeke ibe kule level le mele ibe so can you do it Moutia I can do it then get in choose your players we won't judge and say yeah why angabiza ngumfukeng you know why ngithi but sicela ukuthi iphilosophy mentality ibe the same because you want to go forward asifuna ubuyele emuva yakhumbula after bo khune bajayiva lapha for into ezingekho ngeke rebuild esquadini yangithola
lapha
so whoever beka rebuild
and isikhathi
isikhathi asifuna ukubuyela la
into ngisho ukuthi uqala lapha
grand ngada that is why ngithi from management mele bamtshele untanga ukuthi Matala siyakucela uthi yami sipush into eso sicela ukuthi from maintain it.
Hence I asked that question Google coach ukuthi contract does it stipulate ukuthi okay let's say back sign and the season ayikapheli fund one but if it's still qhubeka ngalento leya then so it must spawn ukuthi in maybe akusebenzi nani then you can do your own thing so kimthi batlanga ukuthi more contract
I was me thinking it's only fair nakhona if let's say Chiefs sign a coach match we can't judge the coach and see the coach like community na first 3 or 4 games or 5 games we can't
unless if the coach is building from scratch
obvious uzofuna ukwenza kanjani because yazi makangafika let's say sithole coach on philosophy maybe Kaizer Chiefs maybe let's see maybe Junior lapho yamtshela ukuthi mfethu sina sifuna ukudlala so maybe let's say it's a new thing asifuna ukuqhubeka the way yabo sifuna ukubuilda that is why silande wena cause yabona ukuthi iphilosophy yakhe isona so I think mabangamsayina no bangayeka le season phela sokubona next season ukuthi wenzani
yeah vele angithi
mele bagayi pre-season
angikhulume wathi akubuwela udima ngakubuwela udima dide ngiyari ngathomjaja kwa 10 games or 5 games like sekubuwela udima nto yari as a coach lona Steve ake ubatlatla philosophy yawo and out of the philosophy rate ba tshwantse qala le fatshe qala re rebuild le leng ukuthi di player di tla ska o chore as only coach Kaizer Chiefs rate ba or maybe re batspadi counter attack ke player re dlalang ka teng then wena o fitla as coach let's counter attack all right again let's hold the ball kala ntikita ka no pretty well hore di player tsa rona off the ball rana di omnat di flat phela ona tsa nka o tshela defense ya Kaizer Chiefs we are kanna ke sa tsebo PSL o tsamaya jwang is the worst defense ever
so far
And it's only one
So
man
far.
that does that.
And akasheba liphosele liconsider mfethu. You would laugh about it and be like,
And it's only one man who does this.
Satan, God.
Yeah.
Hashtag again. Sesiyavala ke ngalelo ndaba.
Ubonile ku-Sundowns kwenzakalani?
Ngambani?
Hayi apheli Bafana Bafana.
Oh. Hayi.
Ngibonile.
Apheli Bafana Bafana.
Yeah. Lokho enye into vie.
Bathi bafuna angazi player lasePortugal vivi defender.
Ku-right manje.
Apheli Bafana Bafana mfana. Phela there was a time Bafana Bafana beningi ama-player Sundowns.
Kunalento ekhulumile uwovo last week. Yazi manje ukukhuluma kanje yabuye. Ukuthi lo coach lo lezo ezasemzansi usihlalisa phansi sekafaka lezi zama-foreign.
Wena uzobona.
Uzobona iSundowns ngeke kusaba iSundowns.
Ubheke next season.
Big institution.
Ubheke i-attack yabo next season.
Big institution.
Portugal, Brazil, Argentina, Uruguay uzobona.
Bheka ne-lineup yabo, ubheke i-lineup yabo.
Ubona?
Quite few foreign players.
Ngizibone kancane Friday kunala zit. Yazi bekuyiziphi?
Portugal.
Fleming Beko uyabona.
Okay.
We need Portuguese players here. They will work. Bafana.
South African Football Association, what does it say about signing more foreign players in the team?
No, in a certain number, but obviously, ingaki? I think 5.
Ekumele idlale or ekumele same team.
The signing team. Ekumele idlale.
Not all 5 players inside the
I think ekumele idlale. I am not sure. Mele sibheke, yeah, mele sibheke ukuthi nga.
Yeah.
Uzocheckela for check.
So mfethu sibona iSundowns
Bafana
Portugal wathi or when it remains Sundowns. Asazi. Sesomela lesitshela lapho interact
abathengisa bolithaphu ke
Ababelethe la.
bale umabhena le bane umabhena odlala emidlini
ngizobachika labantu ayikho right
Nalo umabhena.
ngiyakhuluma bayakhuluma
angithi manje sifuna ukuyela lento oyikhulumayo no ngcono babathengise
Ababelethe la. Chiefs ufuna ama-player phela safuna ama-player.
simple
Mina
ama-player
ama-player
ku-Chiefs ke le ntwana zidlala ibhola lezi thina sifuna ukubukela le ntwana Bafana Bafana mina into engiyilwelayo
bafana
le ntwana mazidlala yizi future yeBafana Bafana
Ovi.
manje mawulanda
Santos.
yazi ifana nale nto leyo ukuthi ama-tournament olayikasi mostly bophirima emanani besibona abantu abadala asiboni intwana television intwana unless if intwana ithathwe i-first team bazoyifaka ukuthi izokubamba kancane you understand so siyifuna i-Phillies game ecala from under 13 sibone ukuthi kwenzakala you understand so we can't build kuma old mutual bafethu Crocs you can't tell that sorry you can't
dala what you must
so we develop from grassroots level sizana kanje step by step njenge Adidas sesakubiza Adidas mfethu yabo Tango thank you injalo leyo nto le hayi laba mfethu ngayinakile athi emuva Adidas
no
so bala leto wafethu ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe like and share ku YouTube ku TikTok ngithanda man repost
yeah follow us on TikTok Facebook
Babhizi ku-TikTok.
YouTube subscribe
me privately
ngasijwayele
Kanjani manje? Ubani ongamela ngasijwayele? Ubani ongamela ngasijwayele manje?
Subscribe bangasijwayele.
Ngasijwayele.
Announcement. Announcement. Umphathi bathi big boss usibhadele. Bonus. Head producer. Ubuto thenga amakhemera.
bathi
Na i-passport. I-passport yaku AFCON la ngithi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hand over.
Mphathi nyana.
Head producer.
ayiyona
Head producer.
yona yona
the wallpaper hey
Angiyabona
sibonga abafethu sicela subscribe
ngiyabonisa bafethu.
ku-YouTube sanicela
Nale awuthi sport
our head producer
TikTok
Sisanda la.
following Shibo Magazine
Sisanda.
Facebook following Shibo Magazine YouTube siyacela Insta yethu soon yes Insta
Our head producer uzofika.
yeah nasijwayele
Okay, producer ubhaya amafoni uzobhaya
Our head producer uzofika apha la.
thank you
Sabiza Suzuki 1
yes
Checker khona into ofuna ukuyisho. Oh, anisenzwile. Head producer.
Sol I love you my brother
Vula
Solomon
Uthi inkulu
Ayi.
bana
Sol Penduka siyacela sinawo siyakuthanda
mina bafethe ku rehab
Well,
AA yophuza amanzi phuza
Namanga